is a rx350 2010 model, and the front hood was not opening up. So first, if you want to fix it, go inside the car. You just have to pull this button, this latch, to open the front hood. You just pull it out, and it releases the hood. And when you open up the hood, and it's giving you problem, you don't want to stay up. So what I was using, I use the stick to stay, but you need somebody else to keep the hood up. But if you have no help, that's how you do it. How I did it is up to you. I am going to replace lift support front hood straws gas spring for Lexus 350. Uh, these are very easy to replace. The one you see in the picture, you will have to take this clip out. All you need is a screwdriver. Just wiggle it little bit, and this clip comes out. And after that, straw just slides out. Just wiggle it. You see it came out very easy. And you do the same at the bottom and get the new one ready. While you cutting the holding band, make sure you keep it away from you. Okay, now the same way you slide the bottom part in for the new one. When you feel that it is secure properly, and you can do the same thing on the top one. Top one just slides in. Just all you have to wiggle it little bit, and it slides in perfectly, and you are done for this on the right side. Now you have to do same thing on the left hand side. Left hand side, get the new one ready. Same, you have to make sure you stay away from your body, because when you open it up, it pops out. You have to do the same thing. Remove that clip from the left hand side from the top. Just wiggle with the screwdriver and it will come out. Now you just slide the strut out. Okay, you have to move just a little bit. So okay, that comes out. Okay. Make sure your hood is properly secure up on the top. If somebody is holding it, or you put a stick on the side. Okay, same way you slide in the old one first at the bottom. It just goes in, and then from the top with the little effort. You don't need a lot of pressure, so it is done. Okay, now you have to check it if it is holding it up. Open up the hood and it stays up. Okay, close the hood and it comes down. Try to see again if it goes up. Very good, and you are all done. And thank you for watching. If you like it, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.